Today I'm going to show you how to make this delicious chicken shawarma. Welcome back to our kitchen, where we show you how to make delicious, family-friendly recipes. I've got to admit, I hadn't heard of chicken shawarma until we watched an Avengers film, and Chris said we had to try it. I can confirm it's delicious, and this is my homemade version. We're going to start by marinating the chicken. I've got 8 chicken thigh fillets chopped into bite-sized chunks here in a bowl. To that we're going to add 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil, 1 teaspoon each of paprika and cumin, half a teaspoon of ground coriander, 1/4 teaspoon of chilli powder, a pinch of ground cinnamon and a clove of minced garlic. Mix it all together, then cover and place in the refrigerator for at least an hour or up to overnight. Once we're ready to cook the shawarma, we're going to preheat a cast iron griddle over the hob on a high heat. Alternatively, you can cook the shawarma on the barbecue or under a grill. So once that's nice and hot, we'll add the chicken. Cook the chicken for about 6 to 10 minutes, turning a couple of times until slightly charred on the outside and cooked through in the middle. Whilst that chicken's cooking, we're going to make a delicious tahini shawarma dressing. We're going to mix everything together in a small bowl, so it's super simple to do. And we just start off with a cup or about 240 ml of Greek yoghurt. Next in goes a minced clove of garlic, 1.5 tablespoons of tahini, half a teaspoon of cumin, a teaspoon of dried dill, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, a pinch of black pepper and 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. Mix that all together till it's combined. Once that chicken's cooked, it's time to serve it up. You can serve this as a big salad bowl, but I'm serving mine in warm flatbreads with some crispy lettuce, red onion, tomato, cucumber and that lovely shawarma sauce. Chicken shawarma is the perfect summer food.